Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send an email with an attachment using Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your account credentials. This ensures you have access to all the automation features and can create flows that streamline your workflow. After logging in, look to the left side of your screen and click on Create. This opens up various flow creation options that let you build custom automations tailored to your specific needs. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect when you need to trigger an automation manually, giving you full control over when it runs. Next, you'll see different trigger options. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set this as your starting point, then click Create. This sets up the foundation of your automation and prepares it to accept the actions you're about to add. Now click the plus icon to add your first action. In the search field, type Get File Metadata and click on it when it appears. This action retrieves important information about the file you want to attach, such as its name and properties. On the File field, click the folder icon and locate the file you want to send as an attachment. This step ensures Power Automate knows exactly which file to work with. After that, click the plus icon again and search for Get File Content. Then click on it. This action actually retrieves the file's data so it can be attached to your email. Just like before, click the folder icon in the file field and select the same file you chose earlier. This captures the actual content of the file that will be sent. Now click the plus icon once more and search for Send an Email. Click on it to add this action to your flow. This is the core step that actually sends your email with the attachment. In the To field, input the email address of your recipient. This determines who will receive your automated email. Next, fill in the subject field with an appropriate subject line and add your message content in the body field. These details personalize your email and provide context for your recipient. Once you've entered your message, scroll down to the bottom and click on Advanced Parameters. This reveals additional options that aren't visible by default. From the advanced parameters, locate and check the checkbox next to attachments. This enables the attachment functionality for your email. After checking the box, click Add New Item. This creates a field where you can specify your attachment details. Now, input a name for your attachment in the name field. This is how the file will appear to your recipient when they receive the email. Then, in the content field, click the lightning bolt icon to access dynamic content. From the options that appear, select File Content. This links the actual file data you retrieved earlier to your email attachment, completing the connection. With everything configured, you can now save your flow and test it by clicking Run. Your automation is ready to send emails with attachments whenever you trigger it manually. And that's it, you've successfully created a Power Automate flow that sends emails with attachments. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.